Hello and welcome back to another tech tip tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to use Discord and how to navigate through the Hive server. Stay tuned.
Ignition sequence start. Engines armed.
Welcome back everyone. For this tutorial you will require a Discord account and a web browser or the Discord app on your device. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is I want to go to the About page on my YouTube, and then as you guys can see here, I can just copy this link and paste it up in the Discord here. And as you guys can see here, it says you can either open the Windows version, I have both, and the web browser, so I'm just going to say continue to Discord. And now this is the Discord channel. At the top here is where you usually log in, and this is where you actually can choose a role. So I advise everyone to read through this documentation, and once you are done you can choose one of these roles. All these roles correlate to what the group does, and it would unlock different and various channels for you. For example, if I were to unlock the buzz, as you guys can see here, I've actually hit all of them. So when I click the buzz channel, as you guys can see, now I'm added into the buzz swarm. I just want to note this is a test account. I am not verified on this account, so some of the channels are not being displayed. So let's just go back here. So every one of these things on the side here is considered a channel. Whatever has the pound sign, or known as the hashtag sign, is a channel, and then anything with a microphone right here is a voice channel. So let's just run through here. This is our announcement channel. This is where you can find out exactly what's happening. The main devs run this one. I guess I should say the main contributors, as there's not really any main people. They're also known as the seed guys, so they'll have this little seed icon beside their name. So this is a good place to go to and look for stuff. Now the info channel. This is also great. If you guys haven't looked at our forum, you can just hop in here and you can see LK has put everything down, and you can just click on the links for whatever is needed. And now to the general channels. So as you guys can see, this is a general channel. You can write and post whatever you want. There's nothing really related to it. The onboarding channel is where you would place all your pollen info. If you don't know what pollen is, I highly suggest you find out, because it does reward you in honey. And this is our meme page, obviously. Honey, also related straight to honey. Honeycomb is where we're talking about farming. Bot commands is where you can type in a whole bunch of different stuff. I just want to note, I haven't mentioned this, at this pinned message here, if you guys click on here, most of the admins or the fauna members will add some commands, so I'll help you guys out on each channel. This goes for everyone. As you guys can see, there's more pinned messages from everyone. I highly suggest everyone reads these. Now let's go to the support channel. So this is where you would ask any question that's related to Honeyswap or Hive, and we could help you out here. There's lots of guys always hopping in and out and helping everyone out. This is help in Spanish. We also have a Spanish admin here that helps out, and a lot of the other members speak Spanish as well. So if you're Spanish, click on this. Bug reports, please keep just bugs in here. If it's just a user issue, maybe start off with the help, and then if it is a bug, we can just post about it right in the bug section. The feedback section is where you can just write whatever you want that's related to Honeyswap. It would be great if we can get some amazing reviews like Cryptobies here. This always helps us strive for a better community and build something that's amazing. I hope you guys like my tutorial. Please stay tuned and make sure you subscribe. Bye for now.